welcome to my cooking show. Today I will be making chocolate chip cookies, but they're a little bit different from your normal chocolate chip cookie. These cookies are going to be made with almond flour, which makes them gluten-free. I will be posting the recipe and the ingredients. Feel free to pause this video at any time to take a closer look. Maybe you and your family can make these cookies while you're inside. So, let's get started cooking. But first, I'm going to need my helper, and his name is... First, I added 2 eggs and whisked them together. Then, 6 tablespoons of honey. When it came time to add the coconut oil, I noticed that the recipe called for melted coconut oil, but mine was solid, so I heated it up a little and measured out 1/2 cup. Then I added it to my mixture. Next came the peanut butter, 2/3 of a cup. You can use any nut butter you want. I chose peanut butter because I love peanut butter. Then I added 2 tablespoons of milk. The recipe calls for almond milk, but I used regular milk. For my last liquid ingredient, I added vanilla extract. This always smells so good. Now for my dry ingredients. I added 2.5 cups of almond flour. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This also smells really good. At the end, I added another 1/2 cup of almond flour because my mixture looked a little runny. Then I added a cup of dark chocolate chips. My oven was preheated to 325. I placed my dough in circles on my trays. It doesn't have to look perfect. And then we set our timers for 14 minutes and then we wait. Almond, I think they're ready. Thank you for watching my video and check in with Seesaw to see what else we have for you.